2,000 years later.
Oh, you're loading that back slow. Hang on a look. I suppose that sells, doesn't it?
Hey guys, if you want to get this pink to make the boys pink makeup look, be sure to stay tuned. Okay.
Barracuda.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been fucking ever. I am so happy to be back. Oh, I missed you guys so much. I have not uploaded a visual video in maybe about a month or two. It feels like a year and I do apologise for that. So I have uploaded my podcast, my weekly podcast, High Tea. Hopefully you checked it out because me and Michael, my best friend, spill a lot of juicy gossip, especially story times from our past and stuff. The last episode, episode 3, I tell the story about the time we used super glue as lube and ouch. Anyway, I'm just so fucking excited to be back. I don't know what to talk about. I want to talk about everything. So, I think I'm just going to do a little eye look. I think I'm going to do a pink eye. It's going to be a chit chat, get ready with me. Basically, I'm going to talk one load of shit, but I'm also going to do my eye at the same time. Please recreate this look. It's so easy, it's simple, but at the same time, it is beautiful and it stands out so bold and proud. Look at me try to sell this as if I work at fucking TK Maxx. So for this eye look, I am really just going to be focused on the Revolution palettes. This is the Revolution Reloaded Newtrals 2 palette. The colours in this are so beautiful, they are to die for. This is so affordable, I think it's £4 and it's pigmented as hell. We are then going to go in and use the Soph X palette with Revolution. This was £10 and as you can see I clearly love it because it has been destroyed. I use a lot of the colours I've hit pan already. The next palette I just got last week I think it was, and it's the Revolution Pro Regeneration Trends Mischief Mattes. That's a mouthful. Beautiful colours. They are pigmented as well, so I'm going to mess around with these colours because I haven't really had a chance to use these as much. So I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer down just as a base to help those colours pop even more. Yes, this is the Wake Me Up concealer by Rimmel. You can use any concealer obviously. So guys, the reason why I haven't been uploading as much is because this house is getting decorated. Everything is everywhere. I cannot film in peace. I have been at college most of the weeks. That's why I've been busy as well. It's very hard to multitask because I'm writing scripts, directing, acting as well. I'll put a little clip in here so you guys can see.
I'm sorry, what?
Well, right here is a game. You have 5 seconds to give 3 answers. And can we please have a timer? Thank you. Your time starts now. Which movie won the 2017... I have fucked up. I do apologise. I don't know what the questions are.
What? Just flip over the sheet I gave you. Just keep going, guys.
This one? I don't have any free things. Name 3.
Okay, guys, restart. Go press the restart button. Start again.
I've been basically, what do you call that, like a presenter for other people's assessments and stuff, and it's really fun. It's so much fun to read off a teleprompter as well. Now I'm just patting a yellow on ever so lightly just as a transition colour. I'm gonna actually change up that yellow and use Halftime as a transition colour. So yeah, I've been at college. It's been fun. I am nearly finished actually. I think I've got like 3 months left. And then boom. Me and my dad had a deal. If I stick to college, he'll be buying my laptop. So you better get fucking saving up. Can I just say, I would love to film an episode of the podcast. But it's Michael. He's a bit weird on camera. He doesn't feel comfortable on camera like that. So I just respect his wishes, his boundaries. And I'm just happy enough that he wants to be on mic sharing his stories, because a lot of the stories are not family friendly. No, I'm filming right now.
What?
Talking about shit that hits you in the face. I am taking the colour that...
Oh my god, look at that palette.
I know, I fucking love it. I use it up obviously. I'm not one of those fake bitches that just put out a brand new palette and like, oh, love this Morphe palette. Bitch. I'm using the colour 21, which is this bright red here, just to use as a transition underneath. It's a beautiful colour and it's diffusing so well. I always hold my brush from the tip, like the bottom, and then I just pat on I never really do circular motions for some reason until I get to the edges, and then sometimes I'll do this. Just feather it out a little bit, you know. My lips look like shit right now, don't worry, I need to do everything again. Oh, that is beautiful, that colour. So fucking cute, and this is just the transition. Look how beautiful that red is. I hope it's shown up on camera, but we're gonna add in some darker colours and really bring this to life. I totally forgot to put down baking powder. I'm just gonna take a little triangle with my Meron setting powder and bake under the eyes, just in case there's any fallout, which I'm guessing there will be because this, like, some of the palettes are quite powdery. This eye is coming together nicely, you little slut. I was basically using 21 there from the Soph palette, and as you can see, I basically pat, and then at the edges I just do small circular motions just to blend out the edge ever so slightly. So if you want to try that at home, go ahead and see how it works out for you. A lot of these big YouTubers forget that not a lot of people, like normal girls, don't know how to do stuff like this. Like if I went to my cousin and said, do a smoky eye, a red smoky eye, blah blah blah, she'd have no clue. She'd probably put it on with her fingers and stuff. So the normal girl really does need tips and tricks on the simplest things when doing eyes. Like you must do blending motions at the edges and stuff. Maybe they don't know little tricks like that. So that's what I'm trying to do tonight. I'm going to try and give you the simplest tricks that you can do at home and walk out of the weekend looking fucking fabulous, you know. I'm holding this so weird. I hate when people hold pencils like this. Or pens. Take my strong hand. I am now actually going to take the colour Mulled Wine. Look at the state of this fucking palette. That's how you know you love something though. So Revolution, you know I'm a hardcore Revolution stan. Oh, darken up that fucking crease, baby. Darken that up. If you get brushes that work and they're like £1.50 from Amazon, why go spend a shit ton of money on Jeffree Star brushes, etc. Do you know what I mean? Unless you're a Jeffree Star fan, then I understand that. I'm just trash at heart. Like, I am just gutter trash. My brand is not very high end, let's be honest, and I live for it. I love supporting the people who are realistically not buying or can't afford all these hairy ass products that are £80, £120 for a fucking primer. Nah, that's unrealistic, bitch. Like, no! Did I tell you guys for my assessment I wrote a short psychological horror sort of thing, a psychological thriller called Carmine. I've just found out that I love directing, producing, writing scripts and stuff. That could be a whole new ballgame for me. My whole life has just been creativity, creativity, creativity. Everything has been creative. I could never ever ever go to a normal plain job. I don't think. I would not survive. I would be so bored at my tits. I'm going to take Ricochet right here, this darker red colour from the Regeneration Trends matte palette. I brushed away that bake because I didn't want to leave it too long. Can I just say, this eye is looking gorgeous already, and it's so simple. This is only 3 colours. I think I may actually add a much darker colour. Maybe this colour right here called Haunted. See how this goes. Make it right at the edge though. So now that we've added a bit of dimension into the corners, let me check my taxes. You're still not filming, obviously I'm fancy a video. Oh my god! Can I zoom in?
What? My god. Stop! Oh, that's pretty.
Is it in here?
That is in focus and that is stunning. By the way, seeing you put a bit of like centre, like pop and highlight for, oh my god, that's beautiful.
Oh my god. So, my little cousin Sheridan is getting married soon to a girl. So I am not the only gay in the family anymore, and it feels as though I've lost a bit of my star quality, you know. I'm actually going to take a little bit of Karst right here because it's really dark, but it's still got a hint of purple in it, and I'm just going to touch the brush ever so slightly. Focus it right in the corner right here. And once we put on our pigment, this whole eye will come together, especially once I do underneath. Oh, such a simple eye. I had no idea what I was planning to do before I started filming, so it shows you how easy this is to do. Do you see that, guys? Just how that little bit of shadow makes the whole eye pop. So now we're going to cut the crease a little, and I'm going to use a Born This Way concealer by Too Faced because it is a lot lighter with the shade Snow. This is so pigmented, so you only need a tad basically. and because we're cutting the crease, we don't need a lot. People have an issue with cutting creases. I think it's the easiest part. Watch me fuck this whole thing up, my eye destroyed. But I do think it's one of the easiest parts, but I know a lot of people have issues with it. So try and get a flat brush, like so. It's much easier. Don't try and use your finger. That'll just be a whole ass mess. And we're taking it right into just the middle. So depending how big your eyes are, you can really take the cut crease up a lot more if you want to be able to see it with your eyes open, which I can technically do a little bit, but I think I'm going to lift it a bit more. Not too much, but enough that when my eyes are open you can be able to see it, so right here. So that's about enough. We're just going to cut it there, just so we've got a place to put that pigment. So don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfection. So let's jump in and put on the pigment, shall we? So this is the pigment here I got from Amazon. I really can't tell who it's by because they have put stickers all over the place. Crystal Luster Eye Colour, a highly concentrated loose colour powder that helps adhere to the skin, create a subtle wash of colour or an intense effect. Obviously I'm going for the intense effect. It's this beautiful, beautiful pigment. It's very pearlescent. This is in the colour 7 Vision. Oh. So I'm going to take the Glitter Fix Gel by Stargazer. My lips are sort of breaking off because I've had them on for quite some time now. Take the glitter gel and just place it where you want the pigment to go. So I am placing it everywhere I done that concealer cut crease. See, I feel as though this pigment looked a lot better when I used my finger. Using it just with a brush didn't really get the full effect. It sort of went subtle. Oh, see, this is just the light effect. This is just that simple brush. That's fucking ugly. Now we've got that base down, we're going to use our finger. Just pressing it on. Oh fuck, I've just threw it all over my face. I totally forgot. Hopefully because I put so much powder there, it will just brush away. But if it doesn't, who gives a fuck? If you're wearing this out the night out, you're going to be looking shiny anyway, aren't you? Because you're a fucking star. Oh my god, I'm so excited for season 2 of Daddy Girls. It's coming out soon. So as you can see, I've got a little fallout here, but we're just going to brush that away with a fan brush. I'm then going to take a brush with a darker colour on it, just to hit the edges of this. Now this is not the best pigment, trust me, you can get much nicer ones. But this is just the one I had delivered not long ago. Is this going fucking chunky? I'm not really sure I like this now, but I'll add a liner and stuff and see how it looks with fake lashes and stuff. Maybe they'll hide it. Damn it. I'm just taking mulled wine and the Soph palette and bringing it under right here and stopping almost in the middle. I mean, I don't know if that makes it look better already, to be honest. Now I'm just going to take the colour Ricochet again, mixed with a little bit of Underdog, the pink next to it, and bringing that right in. So now that I've done the other eye, it's not that bad. I'm still like, I think once I put liner and lashes on, I'll like it a lot more. So let's just jump in and do that. I'm not going to do a winged eyeliner because it does not suit my eyes for some reason. It makes me look droopy and just, I'm going to take the Master Precise Liquid Eyeliner by Maybelline. There's hardly anything in it. I'm just hoping I get something out of it. I remember liner used to freak me the fuck out.
It's intimidating, it's not freaks me out.
So I'm just going to tight line like this and then put a little bit of black eyeliner underneath to circle the eye a little bit more and make it look grrr. So that's fine so far. I need to be careful because my eye's about to start watering. My eye does this when I put too much product around it and it's always the right eye for some reason. Oh no, please don't ruin this whole eye. Please don't ruin this whole eye. I'm just going to do the fake lashes off camera to save time, guys, because this video is long enough. See, this is why I cannot do tutorials. With all these lights and stuff and all the product I've got in my eyes are starting to water and the whole look is going to be ruined. I couldn't get the eyelashes on properly because my eye kept watering. Do you just get the idea, the whole concept? Anyway guys, that is my pink to make the boys wank makeup look and I hope you really liked it. I have missed you so fucking much and I promise to upload more content ASAP. Okay, so don't go anywhere. Remember, go listen to the High Tea Podcast on soundcloud.com/highteapodcast. Me and Michael really do not give a fuck and we talk about everything. So what we can't talk about on here on YouTube, what I can't talk about on here, I definitely spelled on SoundCloud, so go listen. This is my pink to make the boys like makeup look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and all that other generic bullshit insert here. I love you so much. I've missed you so much. I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna go for my quesadilla at Barbarito. P.S. I love Barbarito. Shout out. See you soon, guys. Love you.
Ooh, Barracuda.